Are you shaken out by the recent dip in the Bitcoin price? Or are you dialed in for what is going to be the biggest bull run ever? We'll talk a little bit about how Donald Trump is about to send this cryptocurrency market soaring and, more importantly, a $30 million investment into his own project. Talk about being bullish. We've got lots to talk about, especially when it comes down to the 20th of January inauguration for Donald Trump and how this fundamentally affects the cryptocurrency market. Don't panic. There is more upside to come. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button if you want to stay up to date with all the latest in cryptocurrency and stay ahead of the rest of the market. With that being said, let's get into this video. So before we get into the full Donald Trump news and specifically that $30 million investment, I wanted just to touch on this chart because it's really important. Now, loads of people have been messaging to me today saying, hey, Tubit, is this the market top? Have we missed out on the opportunity of selling high? And I wanted to bring it back to exactly what's happening. If you've been around in crypto for a while, you know that market cycles tend to have ups and downs. They tend to be incredibly volatile. We could see a 30% correction without the blink of an eye. But it always comes back to where's the momentum going? What's the bullish catalyst to continue pushing the market? Well, this is showing the 2024, 2020, and 2017 previous market cycles. The current bullish cycle, this is in the black line, is a very similar to those in 2020 and 2017, that being the yellow line and the gray line. The first major price correction, 15 to 30%, won't come until Bitcoin hits $135,000 or even $159,000. And you can see these price ranges here. Now, why is that the case? Well, ultimately, it's followed previous market cycles. And generally, we see certain price points in where people either take profits or we generally see a capitulation within the market. So don't panic. In my opinion, there's lots more upside to come, and the absolute evidence is there to support it. Namely this, Justin Sun, who obviously is the founder and CEO of Tron, is stirred excitement with a $30 million investment into World Liberty Finance. Now, for those of you that don't know, World Liberty Finance is the crypto initiative spearheaded by Donald Trump and his family. Known for the moves in the blockchain realm, Sun shared the news on social media platform X, hailing WLF as a trailblazer in decentralized finance and a catalyst for the US to become a leading blockchain innovator. So this is the first thing to understand. You have a pro-cryptocurrency president about to take office in the US on the 20th of January. So that's why people are getting incredibly bullish on what is happening in the background. We all believe a strategic Bitcoin reserve is coming. This is why you've got people like Justin Sun, as well as people like Michael Saylor, and I've got a video coming out about that, are buying huge amounts of investing massively into the cryptocurrency markets. World Liberty Finance, however, seeks to revolutionize traditional banking by offering a decentralized platform for borrowing, lending, and crypto investments. And this is important because Trump's already said about the traditional finance sector, and I believe and feel like the more he gets involved in it, the bigger this market is going to become, the more adoption that's going to be there, and more importantly, the higher the price in the long run. You only have to take a look at Trump's personal portfolio at $5.43 million of crypto is absolutely insane. Ethereum, meme coins. Now, let's just be clear. Is Donald Trump sat there on Uniswap buying meme coins with Ethereum? No. These are what people have sent to his wallet. However, the reality is with not only one, but 3 NFT collections, now a project, it truly does make you think, wonder how high this market's going to go. A Bitcoin strategic reserve, 1 million Bitcoin over the course of the next 5 years is insane. Think about, but it doesn't stop there. Lots of people are panicking and there is simply no reason to do so. Cryptocurrency analysis company Sentiment shared its latest views and its latest analysis following the decline in the Bitcoin price. In November alone, major cryptocurrency investors who own at least 10 Bitcoin have amassed a total of 63,922 Bitcoin, equivalent to a whopping $6 billion. And Sentiment said, quote, analysts argue that there is major crypto investments continuing to keep BTC moves in the buy-in direction. There is so much buying pressure coming in right now. You don't have to take a look at ETFs today. $5.6 billion is pretty insane. But also, MicroStrategy buying a huge amount of Bitcoin. BTC price to $1,000 by the end of the year? Let me know in the comments down below. But if you needed one more piece of bullish news, well, that would be this. Cantor Fitzgerald is going to tap Tether up to a $2 billion Bitcoin lending project and securing 5%. You may say, why is Cantor Fitzgerald important? Well, this obviously is all to do with Howard Lutnick, who is now the US President-elect Donald Trump's pick for the Commerce Secretary. He is aiming to launch a $2 billion project to lend dollars to the clients who supply Bitcoin as collateral, according to a Bloomberg citing people familiar with the matter on November 24th. This is hugely bullish. And again, don't forget that Harold Lutnick is an incredible Bitcoin bull. In fact, has a significant into the 3 to $500 million price range as to what he's got, this can only be positive. So if you're sat there right now thinking, man, I can't believe my portfolio is so far down, I can't believe I missed out on these opportunities, don't panic. It's very obvious that a correction was due, and we have that exactly right now in Bitcoin. I do think we could even come down a little bit further, holding around that 93,000 price range. Could we see a little bit of a dip to the 91 range? That could be possible as well. But in the macro, take a look at the week candles. This is incredibly bullish. And you only have to take a look at previous market cycles, and understand exactly what normally happens. If you go back here into the 2021 bull market cycle, you can see exactly what happened. Some of these corrections came in and they were pretty big corrections. And again, the market just continued to the upside. So understand there is way more to come. Huge amounts of buying pressure coming in. And more importantly, a electoral president coming to the office on the 20th of January that is A, super pro cryptocurrency, B, has 3 NFT collections and over $6 million in assets, and C, well, has his own project. That's got to be bullish for me. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. Let me know what you're doing. Did you sell? Did you buy? How are you taking profits on the way up so that you have dry powder on the side? So in days like today, you're the one that's buying, not the one that's panicking. Let me know in the comments, as always, down below. And thank you so much for watching the video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.